Have you ever been frustrated by your app's layout not displaying correctly? If you found yourself dealing with an app bar layout overlapping your constraint layout, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to fix it. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your app's UI doesn't behave as expected. You might be wondering why the app bar layout is overlapping your constraint layout, especially when you thought everything was set up correctly. You're definitely not the only one facing this problem. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why is my app bar layout overlapping my constraint layout?" They provided their XML layout code, and it seems like the toolbar is overlapping the content below it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this overlap? The app bar layout is designed to work with the coordinator layout, but sometimes, if the layout behavior isn't set correctly, it can lead to unexpected overlaps. We'll break down the steps to fix this issue. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid layout issues in the future. To prevent the app bar layout from overlapping the constraint layout, the user should ensure that the constraint layout has the correct behavior set. This can be done by adding the app layout behavior attribute to the constraint layout. Next, the user should check the layout parameters of the app bar layout. It should be set to wrap content, which allows it to adjust its height based on its children. Additionally, the user should ensure that the toolbar inside the app bar layout is properly configured. The toolbar should have a background color that matches the app bar layout to avoid visual overlap. Finally, the user can adjust the margins or padding of the constraint layout to create space between the app bar layout and the content below it. This will help prevent any overlap. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple calculators? We've come a long way, but layout issues can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests changing the coordinator layout to a constraint layout. They experienced the same issue and found that this adjustment resolved the overlap problem. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your layout behaviors and constraints when working with nested layouts. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. Your app bar layout should no longer overlap your constraint layout. Remember, keeping your layouts organized is key to a smooth user experience. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced layout techniques.